We even heard recently that Jamaica has to be importing construction workers. That is a shameful situation when we have over 700,000 adults in Jamaica who are not even in the labor force and don't even count as unemployed. The next PNP government will invest in relevant training to create a skilled and certified workforce so that we can attract the investment that provides decent, well-paying work for our people. We will give our young people a chance to live well and not limit them to low-paying jobs and limited possibilities for advancement. And as part of our National Progressive Alliance, we will work closely with the old and new industries to tailor our training offerings to meet the evolving needs of our economy. We are facing the future and we must prepare our people to be part of a great future.